Local news for Tuesday the 4th of December. Two people have been arrested after a woman received serious wounds to her leg after a shooting in Kirapuni. She's in hospital recovering from surgery. Police are still seeking witnesses to the shooting, which happened on Dixon Street near Norris Way on Sunday night. A man aged 30 and a woman aged 29 have been arrested and appeared yesterday in the Masterton District Court. Police are still appealing for more witnesses to come forward who may know or have seen something. Work has commenced on the Wairarapa Economic Development Strategy. Stakeholders, local iwi and, of course, the instigation of the three Wairarapa councils, Greater Wellington Regional Council and WRDA, has seen 7 key focus points been raised. They have been identified as the likes of value-added food and beverage, tourism, knowledge-intensive industries and trees. And the three Wairarapa councils and Earthcare are reminding people these holidays the 2 recycling crate rule. The current arrangement between Wairarapa councils and Earthcare is to only collect 2 recycling crates per household and within the collection area until wheelie bins are introduced in mid-next year. And in sport, a good weekend for Giants softball, a win for the P2 men, beating Marist 6-2, and the Presidents overcame Totara Park 18-7 in 6 innings.